We're watching the rain
We're gonna get shattered.
coming towards us. Like we're counting down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Looking out over in the second valley over from Pololu Valley.
Second valley?
We're gonna sit in the rain for a little bit.
Yeah, it's hot. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming right now at us. Feels so good.
Probably last for a few minutes. It's some cold water. Fresh water. Wait, let's get our jugs out and collect this.
Moses said, dig the ditches. Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, if you didn't dig a ditch, you weren't ready for the water.
We literally see the rain coming towards us.
Oh, that's cold.
Okay, let's go.